Located in the western part of Rwanda, Ngororero district lies within the high-altitude Albertine Rift region. Its mountainous landscape and steep terrain shape the character of the district, influencing how people live, move, and develop their communities. As we move into the central business district, this area emerges as the main hub of urban life within the district town. Building density is proposed to reach up to 9 levels, supported by the natural terrain and urban structure. Alongside this growth, green spaces are preserved through the creation of an urban eco-park, contributing to a more livable and sustainable environment. The CBD also features a green bus station powered by renewable energy, mainly solar panels, promoting sustainable public transport within the district town. This facility supports efficient mobility by reducing carbon emissions and encouraging the use of clean energy. The bus station is designed as a key transport node, improving connectivity between different urban zones while contributing to an environmentally responsible and resilient urban transport system. The Central Business District is designed to accommodate diverse urban services through the use of mixed-use buildings, allowing commercial, administrative, and social functions to coexist within the same area. This planning approach enhances accessibility and convenience for residents. The CBD also includes a new modern market aligned with the town master plan, strengthening its role as the main commercial and service hub of the district. Mixed-use buildings will feature active facades linking to streets with restaurants and services, plus urban green spaces that regulate climate and provide seating areas for user comfort. Next to CBD, the Unity Complex Stadium will host diverse sports including football, volleyball, handball, and athletics. The proposed Ngororero Complex Stadium is designed as a multifunctional facility that will host diverse activities aimed at boosting the local economy through sports, recreation, and talent development. Beyond sporting events, the complex will support cultural and community programs, creating opportunities for youth engagement, tourism attraction, and job creation, while strengthening the district's identity as an active and dynamic urban center. Housing development is designed to respect the natural terrain by following existing contours, allowing for efficient accessibility of key services such as roads, water supply, and electricity networks. The use of local construction materials, particularly burnt bricks, is encouraged to promote affordability, sustainability, and local economic participation, while ensuring that residential areas remain well integrated within the district's physical and environmental context. Beyond residential development, Amasangano, located at the junction of Ngororero District, Muhanga District, and Gaykonk District, is envisioned as a strategic ecotourism zone. The area is planned to feature a cable car system linking the 3 districts, along with a nautical trade port to enhance accessibility, tourism potential, and inter-district economic integration. The Ngororero District Land Use Plan introduces catalytic projects to drive growth, strengthen key sectors, transform the district, and highlight their strategic locations across the district. Westgate Green Initiative Project builds climate resilience through restoration, smart agriculture, and green infrastructure. A Masangano Ecotourism Park transforms the river confluence into a hub for conservation, recreation, and sustainable tourism. Smart stopover business hubs in Ngorerero, Kabaya, and Nianj will transform key transport routes into modern trade and service centers, offering markets, food courts, logistics, and SME spaces. The hubs will enhance travel experience, stimulate entrepreneurship, create jobs, attract investment, and boost district revenue while strengthening regional connectivity. The integrated bus terminals and mobility hub network in Ngororero, Kabaya, and Nianj will strengthen sustainable transport and regional connectivity. Strategically located along major corridors, the terminals will improve mobility, logistics, safety, and accessibility while stimulating economic growth and positioning Ngororero as a key national transport hub. Ngororero Unity Stadium will be a modern sports and community hub, promoting youth, events, and local growth. Rehabilitation of key roads connecting Ngororero to other districts will strengthen Ngororero's connectivity, reduce travel time, enhance safety, boost trade, tourism, and investment, and link rural and urban centers, driving sustainable economic growth and regional integration. A light industry in Kazabi will process local products, create jobs, boost entrepreneurship, and drive growth. Mining processing in Ngororero adds value to local minerals, creates jobs, and drives sustainable growth. The development of multi-story modern markets in Ngororero, Kabaya, Nianj, Maramba, and Gashubi will optimize urban space and support vertical growth. These markets will host fresh produce, retail, restaurants, services, and business incubation, with modern infrastructure, utilities, and digital platforms, creating jobs, attracting investment, promoting inclusive commerce, and strengthening the district's sustainable economic transformation and urban resilience. By promoting compact development, the markets will reduce urban sprawl, improve hygiene and food safety, and enhance the efficiency and attractiveness of district trading centers. There's also a university in Ngororero which will boost education, innovation, skills development, research, entrepreneurship, technology adoption, community engagement, and local economic growth. Another catalytic project is to expand Kabaya and Ngororero district hospitals will improve healthcare access, infrastructure, and services, reduce congestion, attract staff, and provide quality care for Ngororo's communities. Implementation of the Ngororero District Land Use Plan is strategically structured into two transformative phases, 2026 to 2035 and 2035 to 2050, with a comprehensive midterm review in 2035 to assess progress and recalibrate priorities. Each phase is organized into 5-year investment cycles to ensure measurable impact, fiscal alignment, and coordinated delivery. Execution will be driven through strong interagency collaboration under district leadership. with sector-based implementation aligned to approved spatial allocations and land use balances. This phased, predictable framework provides planning certainty, reduces risk, and creates a stable, transparent environment for long-term public and private investment across Ngororero District.